Welcome back. Here's 35 funny and unique Indiana facts and laws. 1. You can't catch fish with your bare hands. It's illegal to do so unless you're using a special license for noodling. 2. Liquor sales used to be banned on Sundays. Until 2018, you couldn't buy alcohol on Sundays in Indiana. 3. It's illegal to sniff glue with the intent to get high. Yes, they had to be that specific. 4. No cold beer from convenience stores. Stores can sell beer, but only warm unless they're a liquor store. 5. It's illegal for a man with a mustache to kiss a woman in public. This one's old, but still technically on the books. 6. You must honk your horn before passing another car. Outdated, but once legally required. 7. Indianapolis is the racing capital of the world. Home to the Indy 500, the largest single-day sporting event. 8. Santa Claus, Indiana receives hundreds of thousands of letters each year. And yes, they reply. 9. There's a town named French Lick, and it's the hometown of NBA legend Larry Bird. 10. Popcorn is a big deal here. Indiana is one of the top popcorn-producing states. 11. Corydon was the first state capital, before it moved to Indianapolis in 1825. 12. They have a festival for covered bridges. Park County boasts 31 historic covered bridges. 13. Martinsville once banned hip-hop dancing, no footloose allowed. 14. There's a UFO-themed restaurant in Roswell, Indiana. Embrace the alien vibes. 15. The Kokomo Opalescent Glass Factory is the oldest in the U.S., making colorful glass since 1888. 16. In South Bend, it's illegal to make a monkey smoke a cigarette. No joke. 17. Garfield was born here. Cartoonist Jim Davis is from Marion, Indiana. 18. There's a jail turned in. In Crawfordsville, you can stay overnight in an old rotary jail. 19. The state pie is sugar cream pie, also called Hoosier pie. 20. There's a town named Peru. Not the country, just Indiana style. 21. Indiana was home to the first professional baseball game, played in Fort Wayne in 1871. 22. There's a courthouse with a tree growing out of it. The Decatur County Courthouse has a 150-year-old tree growing from the roof. 23. Hoosier Gym in Knightstown is from the movie Hoosiers. It's still open and looks just like the film. 24. You can visit the world's largest ball of paint in Alexandria, Indiana. 25. Indianapolis has more monuments than any city outside D.C. Seriously patriotic. 26. In Elkhart, it's illegal to spit on a sidewalk. Clean streets only. 27. They once hosted a nude Olympics in Roselawn at a nudist resort. 28. There's a town called Santa Claus with Christmas year-round, with streets like Candy Cane Lane. 29. Bedford is the limestone capital of the world. The Empire State Building used Indiana limestone. 30. The name Indiana means land of the Indians. But ironically, few Native Americans lived there when it became a state. 31. You can't ride a horse above 10 mph in Indianapolis. Keep your gallops in check. 32. It's illegal to sell cars on Sunday. Car dealerships across the state shut down 1 day a week by law. 33. A donkey cannot sleep in a bathtub. An old ordinance from the town of South Bend. 34. There's a town named Gnaw Bone. No one knows exactly why, but it's legendary for antiques. 35. Bloomington once outlawed throwing snowballs, at least at certain times and places. And that's all. See you on the next state. Don't forget to like and subscribe.